Alright, we're taking a look at my 3D printed rounds. My 3D printed rounds versus the rubber rounds that you can buy. And so the test is to shoot it at this. Let's see if the rubber round will penetrate or if the 3D printed round will penetrate. So I'm gonna go ahead and load them up. I am shooting out of a T4E TPM1. So this 3D printed round is going in first, and then I'll put this rubber round in. So the first shot will be the rubber round, and then the second shot will be the 3D printed round. That's the rubber round and 3D printed round in there all together. All right, let's get everything set up. All right, rubber round shooting in 3, 2, 1. Rubber round did not penetrate. 3D printed round, firing in 3, 2, 1. Hold on. .3D printing round. But wait, is it reusable? It looks as though it's reusable though. Let's go and pull it out and see what's going on. Okay, so this is the 3D printed rubber round that I shot. No, this is the 3D printed round. It's not rubber. It is still reusable. 100% still reusable. So my thing is that those rubber rounds bounce. So even when it's hitting, so you gotta think about it like this. When it's hitting something hard, it's bouncing. And when it's hitting something soft, it's gonna bounce too. But my 3D printed rounds will not bounce. They're gonna penetrate.